Hallo liebe Fans, hallo liebe Zuschauer, hallo liebe Follower, herzlich willkommen im Hippie Paradise Goa. Ja, die Straßen werden auch hier nicht besser, eher noch schlechter. Ein verwahrloster Dschungel, der von der Zivilisation, vom Alkohol und von Partys angezogen wird. Dann habe ich eine Marketingfrau kennengelernt, die mir bei der Weiterentwicklung meiner Reise helfen möchte.
Hi, my name is Samia Shakir and I am a branding and communications consultant. I basically get paid to party in better terms. Opened a couple of glorious bars in Goa, some at Vagator, Asagaon, Morjam Beach where we are right now, being in the industry since the past 10 years and loving Goa for as long as I can remember. It's bringing two of the most important things in my life together: quality, dining, partying. I'm from Bombay. I'm your quintessential Sandra from Bandra, who moved to the Gram and started living in the capital, just opening quality, Michelin-starred, renowned, all of that restaurants. And you know what happens when you open spaces where people come to culminate, party, create ideas and do interesting things, and you can see that it follows you wherever you go. So I mean, India is amazing. I mean, let's be honest, you've got every kind of terroir here. You've got the desert, you've got the rainforest, you've got the snow-clad mountains, and then you have endless beaches, small towns and villages. And Goa also is a village at the end of the day. It's just that so many during the pandemic kind of moved because they wanted quality living, and that's the reason why now it's becoming more of a city. I used to walk around this town thinking nobody knows me, and let me just be a complete madman, and now like everybody knows me, so I'm just like, oh hi, what's up darling. What can I do? I'm addicted to you. Night blows into the window, dances round the room. Got me hypnotized and getting high on the view. So yeah, I'm Riya. Riya from India. This is what Charlie says. I have my production house, Ginger Honey Production Private Limited, and been working in industry for us.
What's the difference between other regions in India?
See, here you will find a lot of people across the globe come here to stay here, and people who come here find a different vibe actually. It's not about the localites or the region basically. Maybe you find people from all across the places here. That makes the difference, and that brings a global vibe.
How many taxes you paying, and what do you get from your government?
Too many taxes for that reason. And what do we get? We get the infrastructure, we say. It is a huge country. Infrastructure is all about hospitals, roads, and what we say, education, medical treatment. This is basic infrastructure, and that's what government try to give us at its best. You cannot completely blame government and the rules and regulations and people here, because half of the people are like they don't even know that there are certain rules.
Le pagliazzo in a carreggia l'onore valorano. Ya ya ma ya ya, 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 ya ya ma ya ya. Okay, Ida, sing along with me. Ya ya ma ya ya, ya ya ma ya ya, ya ya ma ya ya, ya ya ma ya ya.
Ich bin jetzt seit 4 Wochen in Goa. Ich habe interessante Leute kennengelernt, die mir bei der Weiterentwicklung der Reise auch helfen werden. Es gibt neue Ideen über Sponsoren, Marketing und ich bin sehr gespannt, wie es weitergeht. Ich hoffe, dass sich das Ganze noch vergrößert und viel besser und langfristiger wird. Und ich hoffe, ihr seid dabei. Vielen Dank fürs Videoschauen. Nach den Dreharbeiten ist dann bei der Rückholaktion meine Kamera noch abgestürzt, weil man in Indien nur in einer Höhe von 15 Metern fliegen darf, aus Sicherheitsgründen. Merkt ihr selber, ne? Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen und ich hoffe, wir sehen uns bald wieder. Macht den Daumen und die Glocke. Für wen filme ich die Scheiße hier?